Hi, I would like to thank BREENHILL for sending me these microfiber cloths so that I could try these out and give you my opinion about them. This is what's really cool about these. It comes on a roll. You just rip it off like that, like a paper towel roll, but they're microfiber and they're reusable, so you can throw these in the washing machine. It comes in a roll of 4, so you get the green, which I'm using right now, you get blue, you get pink, and you get gray. And they are all the same soft microfibers. So here I've got a wet one that I've been using in my kitchen here. They're very, very absorbent without being too drippy, which is great. They're very soft. And so here's what I like about these. They're washable, but I kind of like to keep my different rags separate from where I'm using them. So my kitchen cloths stay in the kitchen, bathroom stay in the bathroom, garage stay in the garage. You could also use these for an RV, a boat, wherever you would need to use a cloth to clean up, you can use these. So I have designated green kitchen, blue bathroom, grays for dusting. Actually, I think I put gray in the garage, and pink for dusting. So then I know where I've been using them, and I can keep those things separate because I'm just that way. So anyway, once again, these are so nice, and they just are very good at wiping up spills. You can wash dishes with these. They're just really, really nice. So I highly recommend these. They're just unique to have a microfiber towel on, to rip them off a roll like this. And then also when they're clean and dry, you can set it out like flat and then put the roll on top and then just roll it back up onto the roll. So thanks again. I highly recommend these. Thanks.